Hi everyone, it's Carmelita from jeffandcarmelita.com, and I just want to share with you how to use Canva and how to create multiple pictures for your various social media profiles. So if you're having challenges creating posts for your social media profile, this video will help you. We'll get a little dot there. Will help you see how you can create multiple posts pictures for your various social media profiles, okay? And I'm going to share my desktop and we'll get started. And here we go. All right, now we're going to canva.com, that's C-A-N-V-A, and here we are. Now you see we created several posts here. This is my tool right here that I use to post our tips and to create our tips for the day. So this is where you go to Canva. So let's just create a tip for today. And we're going to say, make a difference in the lives of others. An online tip. We'll take this off. And we'll say, embrace love, share, and care. Just an online tip for today. And then we'll just leave that down there. And let's put here, like us. Like us on Facebook. And then we'll put Jeff and Carmelita. Okay. So, and uh-oh, what happened there? Let's hit the back screen. What happened to our post? That is not what we intended to do. Let's hit undo. Okay, great. Things happen. All right, let's check this out. So we're going to make this a little larger. So we're going to come up here. And then we're going to go here and just make that a little larger. And then we're going to make the headline a little larger as well. And we're going to go here. A little bit bigger than the actual text. And we're going to stretch it out. And then we'll pull the text down a little bit. Woo! Bring that down. And there we go. And online tips. And let's say online tips for sharing. Online tips for sharing posts. Well, just sharing. Just for sharing in general. And let's make this a little larger. We're going to have to change the font size a little bit since we added a few more words. Oh, maybe not. Let's bring it down a little bit. Okay. And then let's bring that down a little bit. Okay. Share, embrace love, share, and care. So after we did that, we're going to go over here to the size where it says resize. And we're going to unclick these because those keep coming up as default. So we're going to create a Twitter post. And this is a generic social media post. This is one for Pinterest. And this size here is for Facebook. Or is that for Instagram? Let's look for Instagram size. Because Instagram is a little longer. All right, where is my Instagram sizer? Oh, this is the Instagram post. Okay. All right, so we have Pinterest, Twitter, and let's click Facebook. All right. All right. Now, I forgot to click the resize button on there, didn't I? Let's do that again. We have Twitter, social media, which we don't really need because we're doing the Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. And then you just simply click resize and it's gonna resize them all, and then we just have to resize them to fit. Now this is the one for, this is the Facebook size one. No, that's Instagram. Here's Twitter, which is basically almost perfect, except we may need to make that a little smaller or take one of those off. We'll do this. We'll take this one off. And then that one's just about perfect, and we'll move that up a little, and we'll make this a little bigger. We'll resize that over here. And that one's perfect for Twitter. And this one is for Pinterest. This one for Pinterest, we're going to make the font larger for the header. And a little larger than that. And then we're just going to drag it up a little bit. And I'm going to move that to the second line. We're going to move this one up. Just a second here. Make this a little wider. And bring it over and center it a little bit more. And bring it a little bit closer to the top. Now this one, we're going to make the letters a little bigger because Pinterest, the frames are a little bigger. So let's make the letters about that size. And let's make the header just a slight size bigger. Okay, and then we're just going to take this, the other social media links, and move that down. And then we're going to make the print font a little larger on those. But that one's a little bit too large. We may have to take a few of them off because we want the print to be a little bit larger. Let's do this. And see, this is really not a very hard app to use. It's very user-friendly. And that's why I like it so much. And let's see if we can make the font just a little bit bigger. Just go 21. Perfect. So we didn't have to take anything off. There we go. And that one's ready for Pinterest. Now, oops, didn't want to do that. Oh, you saw my little notes over there. That's okay. All right, so we have our Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram, and the Facebook one is hiding under, there it is right there, hiding under the tab. Let's pull this up. Okay, and the Facebook one, there's really not a lot to do. I just want to make the header a little bigger on the Facebook one. And then we will change this right here. And there you go. We just showed you how to create a different posts for your social media profiles. And it didn't take 10 minutes. So, all right, now you just simply, the system will automatically save, and then if you want to download them to your computer, you just simply download. Another feature you can also add on here, let me show you. Move this down here. You can also post a add a link to the actual post. But when you do that, in order for the link to be active, you have to download it as a PDF. So I'm just simply going to put our website on here. So, and I would have to go back and do that for each of the posts that we created. Click on a section of the post and then apply a link to it. And then download it. It would download as a PDF file. See, it tells you here, it looks like you have a link designed. The link, in order for the link to work, you have to download it as a PDF. Now, on Facebook, PDFs don't really, links in PDFs doesn't really work. So this would be for something else that you were going to share on another different profile. And on Instagram, links don't really work. So that is how you create a post for your various social media profiles. And you can do it in less than 5 minutes using canva.com. Talk to you later. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you soon with the next social media tip to help you grow your business online. Bye-bye. And remember, inspire to empower someone today. And follow us on Instagram and Twitter, like us on Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Talk to you later. We look forward to sharing more tips to help you grow your business online. Bye-bye. And we are going to stop our recording.